Well, here we are. It's 3 o'clock, 3:10, Saturday, August 1st. We're at the Tamarack trailhead, halfway down to Blue Lakes, off of 88. Just got all ready to go, and in comes the cloud and the rain. So we're kind of waiting it out to see what happens. There's my fellow campers.
Can you see us?
They got full rain kit.
Short sleeves, shorts. That's how I go.
Venus likes the rain.
Waiting for somebody to close it. Okay, bring it here, baby. Bring it right
It's pretty funny though at night, like after she's wet and she settles down, she starts getting cold, she wants to snuggle with you.
Bring it here, Venus. Bring it here.
So at the trailhead here, where it's about 7,000 foot altitude.
Venus, bring it here.
So this is the trailhead off of 88 to head out to Raymond Lakes.
Bring it